Chuck, what are you doing? Stop it.
I can't do this anymore. I can't sleep.
Why are you saying that, Chuck?
Hey! What the hell is going on? I'm trying to sleep!
I want this windstorm to end right now.
If you could just stop complaining about the weather, I would have cleaned your room sooner. You don't talk to your mother like that, Chuck. I've had it. You are grounded for the— It's with all the— Oh my goodness. What are you doing with a knife?
Get back, Matilda. I'll deal with it myself.
Both of you back off. Don't come any closer or one of you gets it.
You'd rather end up in jail. Is this what you want? No. Matilda. No. Don't do this to me again. Please. What have you done?